purchased some 3D Services channel trucks, and we're going to open them up and have a look. I have to compliment the guys at 3D Services for their packaging. It's definitely the best packaged goods available. Some of the other manufacturers' packaging is known to be less than desirable. The package was 5.2 kilos. And it looks pretty wide. One thing I like about 3D Services is they provide grease for the gears. They don't skimp out on fasteners, so you get all excellent quality fasteners. Quality in general is always extremely high, so it's what you expect. So that's it. Get some stickers. So you got some fasteners. You got the grease. More fasteners. Alright, so this will be my channel truck. Oh wow. So this is a fully CNC'd truck. And first time I'm seeing this, and it's pretty impressive. You can have a look at the machining quality here. It's pretty much like aircraft grade machining going on. It's pretty, yeah, I'm impressed as I always have been. Interesting internally in the inside the truck, the center of the truck is actually solid, as opposed to others where it's like a hollow channel in between on the actual truck arm as well. So having, you know, the bolt is now tensioning up against the bulk of that material in the center of the truck. So you've got as strong as it possibly could be. Yeah, like compared to the Trampo trucks, these are certainly, well, you know, these are a full billet construction, so I can see the price being justified from this now. I've actually got it in my hands. Yeah, pretty unbelievable. And I have another truck. Well, that's awesome. Wasn't expecting that. 2 trucks. And of course, gears. And we have the gears. It's coming with the guards. It's got I think these are a 4-to-1. I can't remember exactly. I got these to fit the MBS rims. I got some Carly Hellcat rims a while back, and realised that they were the bolt pattern on the Carly Hellcats is MBS, which I sort of figured out the hard way, and then so I didn't have the right connecting gears for them, so I had to buy another set. So I got the 3D Services trucks and gears, and so here's the Carly Hellcats, super fat, gotta love that, and yeah, with 12mm axles. So I'm gonna put for this setup here, I'm building like a sort of a board sort of inspired by Carly NYC's builds. I'm using a Russian deck. A guy in Russia builds these decks that are very similar to the Carly style, and we're going to put it with these 6396 Matex motors. So I'll use those. It's close enough to the, I think Carly's using 63-100s, but his are pretty like big Coke can motors. I think for him it was better to get his own motors built because he does such a large volume. I'm only doing custom one-off builds, putting together what I think are the best components or interesting combinations of various manufacturers and just producing one-off builds that are all unique. So I've got your Maytech 6396, which it's an incredibly powerful motor. I think the only one more powerful than this is the 8085s, which I've also got a build coming up with that. And this is 170 kV. So we'll be hooking up those here with the Hellcats, and we'll have a inspired, it'll be a 12S 8P or a 10S 10P, I'm not sure, but I'm sure 12S is the better option, but so this will be a pretty awesome build. Let's get a close up on these trucks. They've got the gunmetal coating on it, paid the extra for that. And we've got the 10mm keyway option here, so they bore out the hole here for a 10mm shaft on the Maytech 6396 motor. We got blue barrels. Blue barrels is the front. So I must admit they're just incredible. The total width on these, I'm not sure they're the same as Tramper. What can we do here? I wonder if we can put these wheels on. If we put these wheels, very nice tolerances here. Spacer inside, spaces. Ooh, look at that. Let's do a little quick test fit up. See how badass this looks, how wide it is. Look at that. Yeah, 3D Services just provides every little conceivable component that there's nothing left to your you have to go chasing out little parts and stuff. He just provides everything, so you can't complain about that. That's just super wide. Oh my God. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I mean, let's see if we can compare it. I'll get a tramper and see what the difference is. You sit right there. Get this tramper build. Here's the Tramper Infinity. There's a Tramper Infinity I just finished. It is significantly wider. Look at that. Yeah, the same width here. So this is a 16 inch. So it definitely looks like you're at least an extra inch wider or two. I can't recall. Yeah, but obviously that width will give us some stability, and you can also fit your bigger motors in here. So with the gears is what we want. I always want bigger motors. And there it is, the gear set with the truck. Very light, this one. Yeah, very light. I think I ordered an extra truck. Wasn't sure whether I got both trucks with. So now I've got extra trucks. That's what I needed. Awesome. Nice that we've got the spaces. It's nice of him not to make that an extra. He just provide them. It's really good. This is it. Oh, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of some pretty awesome gears from 3D Services. I'm John from the board company. This is my business, turning what I like and enjoy so much into something I can do for others as well. And feel free to check out my website. It's really early stages. www.theboard, as in BORED company.com.au. I'm actually based in Helsinki in Finland. I started off in Australia, and I still have registered business in Australia as well as Finland, and hoping to get some of the great engineering skills to work in Finland to help build some awesome boards for everyone. And so yeah, keep an eye out, and see you again sometime. Bye.